Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you're doing well. If you're new, a huge welcome to you. If you've been here before, thank you so much for coming back. I do unboxings, I do reviews, and I do jewelry tutorials. So if you think that's something you might be interested in, please think about subscribing to my channel. I usually upload at least once a week, sometimes twice. It depends on how busy I am. So if you do subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified every time I release a video. But anyway guys, today we're going to be doing an unboxing, and I'm going to be opening up one of my favorite boxes ever, and you know which one it is. It's Didi's Deluxe Bead box. You know how I feel about that box. I absolutely love it. They always do such a beautiful job of curating the colors. Now if you're not familiar with the box, I'll leave some information down below in the description section of this video, along with a link to the website. And if you do go to the website, don't forget to do the conversion from Canadian dollars to US dollars, because there is quite a bit of difference. And since it's springtime in the US and Canada, I'm hoping that this month's theme is a spring theme, and I can't wait to find out. So why don't we turn the camera around and get started. And here we have Didi's Deluxe Bead box for the month of April. And don't you just love this sticker? It says here, inspiring your creative senses, and I love this little image of the beads. But what I like about this sticker is what it says down here. It says, warning, opening this package will cause extreme happiness. And it certainly does every single time. So let's go ahead and open it up. I love this purple tissue. And it looks like the name of this box is Crocus Blooms. Very appropriate for this time of the year. Let's see what it says. It says, spring has arrived and so have the beautiful crocus and spring blooms. This month we bring you a unique color palette of oranges, yellows, and purples, a wonderful tease to welcome the warmer weather ahead. And that sounds absolutely marvelous. Oranges, yellows, and purples. What a nice combination. And down here's a list of all the contents. I like the way they list everything. They always put the length of the strands as well as the number of pieces per strand. So let's take a look. Oh my goodness, these are absolutely gorgeous. I've always liked the combination of orange and purple, and I think the yellow is going to look really nice as well. Let me pull them out. Tell me these are not gorgeous. Look at these. I love that they added some green as well. I know I'm going to really like this box. Let me get organized and we'll go through each one. And here are all the strands. And tell me these are not gorgeous. Once again, Didi's Deluxe Bead box went above and beyond. The last couple of boxes have been stunning. And with each one, I told myself there's no way they can top it. But they do every single time. This one's just as gorgeous. We have check beads, we have gemstones, we have glass pearls. These are absolutely gorgeous. Let's take a look at this one here. This is their Inspired by Checks designer strand, and this is a Crocus Blooms themed strand, and you can see why. I love these flower beads, and I love the green. What an adorable strand this is. When you have beautiful beads like this, it's easy to come up with designs. I'm really looking forward to it. This one's gorgeous. Let's take a look at the gemstones. This is a 7-inch strand of 8mm size plum jade gemstones, and there's approximately 22 beads in the strand. What a beautiful color this is. The beads have a lot of variation, which I really love, and different levels of translucency as well. And I love the milky look of jade. The stone is translucent, but you can also see a lot of detail, a lot of little inclusions. These are really gorgeous. I love them. Let's take a look at this one now. This is a 7.5-inch strand, and these are 8mm size glass beads. The color is Mystic AB Lavender, and there's approximately 25 beads in this strand. And I'm not sure what it would look like without the AB finish, but they definitely have a gorgeous luster. Very pretty. Let's take a look at these. These are called Diamond Cut Periwinkle Cat's Eye Beads. They're 8mm in size, and this is a 7-inch strand, and we get 22 pieces. What a unique cut this is. I don't think I've seen a cut like this before. I'm trying to figure out why they're calling it a diamond cut. It's hard to tell. I'm seeing quite a few facets on each bead. In any case, they're gorgeous, and I love the periwinkle color. I'm going to have to take these outside though to see that cat's eye effect, because I'm not seeing it under these lights. I'm sure it's there, I just can't see it. I guess when I turn the beads, you can kind of see it a little bit. Very interesting and very beautiful. Let's take a look at these. Now these are really stunning. I love these. Oh my gosh, these are so gorgeous, guys. Look at that. Wow. These are called opaline yellow purple painted glass beads. They measure 6 millimeters in size, and this is a 9.5-inch strand, and we get approximately 43 pieces. I am so impressed by these beads. I love that they're transparent, and I love that each one is different. Some have more purple than yellow, and some have more yellow than purple. These are so pretty. I think this is my favorite strand so far, besides the check beads. Actually, I'll take that back. They're all gorgeous. Let's take a look at these. These are pretty glass pearl beads, and the name of this color is Gold Silk. They measure 4 millimeters in size, and this is a 16-inch strand, and we get approximately 110 pieces. I love this shade of gold. It's very, very pretty. And I love the luster on these beads. And they actually look really nice with a check strand. I love these. Let's take a look at these now. These are bicone crystals, and the color is Mystic AB Hyacinth. Like I said, I love any color that has the word mystic in it because they always have that beautiful effect on top. But anyway, these are 4 millimeters in size, and this is a 14-inch strand, and we get approximately 90 pieces. You can tell that Didi's Deluxe Bead Box spent a lot of time curating this box, and they did a wonderful job. Let me get some more items. And here we have some loose beads. Once again, we have a gorgeous combination of purples and oranges and yellows and greens. And these are the exact same leaves that came in the Inspired by Checks designer strand. So that's nice that they gave us a few extras. Let's take a look at these. This bead mix is called a Spring Crocus and Flower Mix. Aren't they gorgeous? Look at this. They're so precious. And I can see the crocus beads, but I'm not sure if the flower beads are tulips or what they are. What a delightful little bead mix this is. Let me put them on a rod to see how they're drilled. And here they are threaded on my rod. These are really, really cute, guys. They really are. Look at these yellow ones. Aren't these adorable? You could definitely make some earrings with these. I love these purple ones too. These are cute. And I guess these orange ones are tulips. I'm not sure. I guess they could be crocuses. I know the purple ones are crocuses. These are so adorable. Let's take a look at these. I love the finish on these beads. These are hyacinth lucite flower bells, and the color is Mystic AB. So once again, we have that name Mystic, and you can see why. The beads have a beautiful effect, and we get a total of 10 pieces. So that's really nice. You can definitely make some earrings and a necklace as well. I can also see using one of them as a charm on a bracelet. I really love these. These are so gorgeous. I'm going to have so much fun. Let's take a look at these purple ones. These are called melon saucers, and I've never seen melon saucers before. I've seen a lot of melon beads, but I've never seen a melon saucer bead. But anyway, the color is purple with a gold wash, and these measure 20 by 10 millimeters, and we get a total of 10. And I'm not sure what they're made out of because they're very lightweight. I don't know if these are acrylic or glass. Maybe Stella from Didi's Deluxe Bead Box can leave a comment down below. The description doesn't say what they're made out of, but they're absolutely gorgeous. I love them. Let's take a look at these leaves. This green color is really pretty. These are check glass leaves, and the description says that the color is Ovoline, but I've never heard of that color before. Maybe they mean olivine. But anyway, they're green with a gold wash, and they measure 10 millimeters in size, and we get a total of 10 pieces. Plus, like I said before, we have some on the Inspired by Checks designer strand. I love them. Let me get some more items. Here are the last 4 items. We have another beautiful bead mix here with lots of different shapes and sizes. And then we have some 14 karat gold plated ear wires. I think it's really nice that they include high-end items like that. And I love this pendant and this connector. Let's take a look at the pendant. This is a gold iron Crocus Blooms pendant. It measures 32 millimeters. Let me take a look at the back. There's the back. It's very shiny in the back. And it has a hole at the top, as you can see. That's a very pretty depiction of Crocus Blooms. Each one is outlined in gold. And I'm seeing some of that periwinkle color. So it's going to look very nice with those periwinkle diamond cut beads that I showed you earlier. Very, very nice. Look how nice it looks with this strand. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. The colors really do coordinate. Very pretty. At the end of this video, I'm going to arrange everything on my board so you can see how everything coordinates. It's a mystery to me how they put these boxes together because it really takes a lot of work finding colors that go well together. And it's not just the colors, it's the finishes, the textures, the levels of translucency. A lot goes into it. Let's take a look at this pretty connector. Tell me that's not adorable. It's the bonus item. They always include a bonus item. And it's a natural dried pressed flower connector. It measures 20 millimeters. What a pretty little tiny flower that is. Let me take a look at the back. There's the back. You can definitely see that it's a real flower. And I'm seeing a few flakes of gold as well around that flower. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. It's definitely transparent. You can see how transparent it is. This little connector is so precious. I love it. Let me put these beads on a rod so we can take a closer look. And here are some of them. I loaded 2 rods because there were so many of them. As you can see, we have these beautiful large ovals in this purple color. They are so pretty. And then we have these yellow ones over here. These remind me of tulips because of the shape. And they're a pale yellow color and very transparent. I think it's nice that they included a couple of bead mixes this month. It opens up a lot of possibilities for different design ideas. Let's take a look at this one now. We have these beautiful frosted 8mm size beads in this gorgeous yellow color. It's almost like a golden yellow, very pretty. And then we have these ovals over here. They're slightly twisted and very transparent. They're so pretty. I love how they catch the light as I turn the beads. Very, very nice. And then we also have this connector. This came in the same bag. It has like a little drizzle effect on top. I think this is shell though. That's what it looks like, but I'm not exactly sure. But as you can see, there are 2 holes, one on each end. My first thought was to use it in a bracelet, but this would actually make a great pendant on a necklace as well. I really love these beads. And I love the colors. And let's take a look at these now. We have 2 different kinds of ear wires, as you can see. We have this one that has like a little leaf shape, and it has a loop at the bottom, so you could hang something from there. And then we have this one as well. And like I said, they're 14 karat gold plated, so that's really nice, especially if you're sensitive to metals. Well, here's the full collection, the Crocus Blooms collection, their spring edition. And I'm so impressed with this collection. Like I said before, they really outdid themselves again. These colors make me so happy just looking at them. And as always, they've included a lot of different elements. We have the gemstones, we have the check beads, we have the sparkly crystals, we have frosted beads, we have the gorgeous mystic effects, different shapes and sizes to work with, and it's nature inspired, which I really like. I know I'm going to have a great time designing with this collection. I especially love this beautiful check strand, and the Crocus Blooms theme is so adorable. What I like about this month's check strand are the gorgeous flower beads and leaves. But the other thing that's nice about the Inspired by Check strand is that it comes with bead caps and spacer beads as well. And I have to say that that's probably my favorite item in this whole collection. But I do like the jade beads as well. They're very pretty. And I guess I love these purple and yellow painted beads as well. I pretty much like everything in this box this month. So anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed today's unboxing. Let me put these away and I'll come back and say goodbye. I am so inspired right now from looking at those gorgeous beads. For some reason, those colors made me so happy. I don't know if it was the yellows or the purples. I'm going to have to sit down and really think about what I'm going to be making with those beads. And since I love flowers and I love botanical themes, it's not going to be that difficult. So anyway, guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I'm looking forward to seeing you again. Have a great day and I'll see you next time. Bye.